Welcome to 247 John Street. Come on inside. Oh, here on the main floor, you have this extra long room for entertaining. Oh, there goes the fucking banana. Your living space is oh, sorry, start again, sorry.
Bruh.
This home comes with a finished basement, separate entrance, rough and oh, start again, sorry.
Come on.
Okay, okay. The flaccid hallway. Walk with me through this flaccid hallway to this oversized master bedroom where my buddy's f***ing the pillow. With oversized windows, a shared bathroom, and this master bedroom that's just large. And in this master ensuite, you have his and her sinks and this gorgeous glass.
They ask you how you are, and you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Shit. Fuck, man. Oversized shower with complete fuck me.
So as you can tell, this house has got it all. Don't be shy, come on by and have yourself a look.